Welcome everyone to JD Live. Today I brought a new sun cream for you. This one is from the brand SUM37. So I'm not sure how you pronounce it, maybe SUM37. I know this brand, but I have never purchased their product so far. So this is my first product from this brand, and this one is a sun cream. Perfect Defense Sunblock Special Set. The box looks like this. It's a simple but pretty box, and if you open it, you can find the sun cream itself. It has a sun cream, Sun Away Perfect Defense Sunblock, and it has a sun protection of SPF 50+, PA+++++. So this high broad of sun protection is more than enough for the whole day if you apply it on in the morning. And the other one is Skin Saver Essential Clear Clothes. So this one is for cleansing your skin. First, let's see this one. It has this kind of sheets. It looks like a sheet mask, but you're actually just cleansing your skin. It's not for everyday usage. I think it's better if you just use it for traveling. You can just pack it with you. It's really thin and it's really light to pack it, so it's okay. But it was just a gift for the sun cream itself. The sun cream looks like this. It's also really simple, nothing special. So what do we know about SUM37 brand? This brand is owned by LG Cosmetics, and usually they use high finish ingredients, mostly fermented ingredients. So their cosmetics are usually more on the expensive side. I think SUM37 is maybe the most expensive brand of LG Cosmetics. So it means their cosmetics must really contain really good ingredients, and they have a really good effect on your skin. So however, I have never tried this product before, but I had high expectations knowing the price, mostly because compared to other sun creams, this one is a little bit pricey. But let's see other informations about this product. Let's see the packaging and the texture and the finish, and later I will talk about what I experienced through my usage. So first of all, how to use this product. You need to cleanse your skin, apply on a toner and an essence, serum or ampule, and in the end, if your skin is really dry, you can apply on a moisturizer or emulsion or lotion. Moisturizer, emulsion, lotion, they are almost the same things, just they have different name and a little bit different texture. And in the end of this whole process, instead of the cream, you apply on the sun cream. Usually you do it in the morning, and because it has a high broad sun protection, you don't need to reapply it throughout the day. SPF 50 plus PA++++ means that this sun cream protects you for long hours, both from UVA and UVB rays. This sun cream is working really well with base makeups, so after you applied on this sun cream, you can go to the foundation, CC cream, BB cream, cushion foundation, whatever you use. It doesn't have any problem with the base makeup. It was made for facial usage, so you just need to wait maybe 1 or 2 minutes just to soak into your skin well, but after that you don't need to worry anything about the application of the foundation. In Korea there are 2 groups of sun creams. One of them has a tone-up effect, but the other one doesn't leave any tone-up effect behind. And so this sun cream is in the second group. It doesn't have any tone-up effect, but you can see some glow on your skin after you apply it on. Because of that, I was really satisfied with this sun cream, because some of the sun creams can leave a dry finish. Even after a few hours it can change, but other sun creams, maybe they are good at the beginning, you cannot experience anything special, but after a few hours you can experience some greasy area. Your T-zone mostly can become oily, but this sun cream doesn't leave any dry or any oily effect behind, so it keeps your skin condition. So altogether, this sun cream does not have tone-up effect, but it gives a glow, a healthy look for your skin. It's not oily and not dry, not even after a few hours, but instead you can get a deep moisture. And in the end, it lasts for long hours. If you apply it on, you don't need to retouch it. However, this sun cream is a bit expensive, mostly compared to other Korean sun creams. Before, my favorite sun cream was the sun cream from Make Prem brand, but since I started to use this one, I don't know which one is my favorite now, but I love both of them. This M37 sun cream has a really nice effect on your skin. It's working really well with the foundation, and even if you use it just by itself, your skin will get some healthy glow. So if you have a perfect skin surface, you don't have any skin troubles, this sun cream is also enough. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our new channel. Bye bye!